forest is afraid of you. Look at this. Look at this. Crazy. It's like 12, 15 feet. There's a bunch of them. Like a family of them. But look at this. Aside from the leaves having like nettles, there's the branches and the trunk and the... This is going to be the scariest tree ever. Ugh. So we're headed up into the mountains. We're actually going up. Jen wants to go hiking, and they're coming with us, right, dudes?
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys sleeping yet?
No.
You haven't even hiked yet, and you're already sleeping. Yeah, we're gonna go up into like Mountainville. You're gonna see a little town, and then you're gonna see another little town, and then we'll see where we can find this trail that Mom thinks exists. So we'll see you in a minute, maybe, if we make it. Yeah, nature. That's the Carbon River. I think its name is because it's got a bunch of carbon in it. That's why it's kind of gray. That's what I'm told from the hillbillies that live here. But you can see this river gets pretty big. Anyway, I guess we're gonna go over there somewhere.
The road has gotten even more washed out since
Oh, wow.
last time we were here.
Yeah.
There was a road there.
Yeah, there. Obviously, you guys could see that there was probably a road there. So this place has had a rough life. When we first moved here, well, we'll show you. We're gonna hike there. You'll see. So a long time ago, this used to be the ranger station, and it was actually twice this size. And there's a parking lot, as you can see, but there's a bigger parking lot that's no longer here.
Yeah, this is where we were able to park last
And you used to come up here, and there's this huge campground behind those gates. I don't know if you can see the gates up there, but this was a huge campground. We camped here one time, and then it got washed away. Like, really washed away. Like, really badly washed away. So, well, so here we go. We're walking through the forest now, people. Nature. Full tilt nature. Anyway, forest. What is going on back there? Come on, people. It's the sound of the forest behind me. Yeah, that's what the sound of the forest is like back there. See this chaos back here? Good grief. Anyway, yeah, forest action. Rainforest action, I think. It says it was. These giant plants are crazy. It's like Ewok Village. Giant palms and yeah, crazy.
These are the lilies and calla lilies, and if we were here in July, they'd have the beautiful white flowers.
Things, dude. Things. Look at how big that one is. That one's huge back there. Look how big that is.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Creek action.
Apparently somewhere there's 14-inch salamanders.
Yeah, that's what they all say. Yeah, this is what happens to the forest when we come. Yeah, that's why the forest doesn't like us very much. It's them. It's not me, it's them.